When you create a Google form, you can see the responses by clicking on the Response tab. This way, you get a general overview and graphic of your answers. But sometimes you would like to have more detailed information, so I do that by clicking on the View Responses in Sheets button here. All of the data that you've taken through your survey or Google form or assessment will now be placed into a Google Sheet. When you're using a Google form, many times you want to know when somebody has submitted an answer to your form. You don't want to have to keep going back to the sheet and looking to see if a new entry has been made. And there's two ways to notify yourself. One of them is on the actual Google form. Where we click to look at the data and create a sheet, there is a little 3 dots. You can actually click the button that says Get Email Notifications for New Responses. This is great for any time this form is submitted. It will automatically generate an email for you and send it to your inbox. But that could get quite complicated if you're using this as, let's say, an assessment for students. You don't want to have notifications on in a class of 25 students where an email is generated each time they submit. I would only turn on notifications if at the end of the test you have a student who needs to make up the assignment or do a retake. The other way to do it is from the actual sheet itself. And I like doing it this way because you have a little bit more control. So you go to Tools and you'd go to Notification Rules. And here you can say, all right, I want it to email me here anytime there's a change made or when the user submits a form, which is what I typically do. Then, if I know I might have 4 or 5 teachers submitting a form during the day, I don't want an email each time, but maybe I want it to have a daily digest where it tells me at the end of the day, yes, somebody did submit and this is how many people did submit. Or I could select email right away. In either case, I will have to select Save and then Done. And you can add multiple rules to your sheet coming from this direction.